Okay, moving on to the Aussie dollar. We can see on our monthly time frame, my sentiment is bearish. I believe it's going down. So let's go ahead and take a look at our fibs to see what is going on. Here, this fib started sometime in 2011, either August or September of 2011, and it's been going down ever since. Based on that current fib, we get a deep retracement to the A60 level. So following Fibonacci's rules, green matches with green, so our monthly take profit is going to be somewhere in here. Going down to the weekly, based on that same information, it's still a 860 pullback, so our take profit zone is still going to be in the same area, right? And this fib's been running for a long time. It's a very strong bearish move here. So let's see what's going on with this next high here. Based on that, we got a 61.8 retracement. So red matches with red. We're gonna put our weekly take profit somewhere in here. Like I said, I like to put my take profits and stop losses somewhere above the actual D extension, just so I don't get clapped by broker spreads. So what's happening on the daily? Boom, boom, boom. All right, so we see that that daily fib had been taken out August of 2022. So we're gonna run a fib from there, see what happens. That also got taken out. That fib got taken out in January of 2023. So we can erase that one, put this one back. Based on this fib, and again, this started February of 2023, still a downtrend. And what do you know? We have an 860 retracement again. And that was in December of 2023. Man, we got a lot of major moves in December. This pink line is where price is currently. This green line is going to be our take profit zone. And I don't remember why I had that there, so I'm just going to turn that off. Okay, so we got a 860 retracement on that daily as well. And then what's happening on the 4 hour? Is that fib still running? No, it is not. It looks like it would have got taken out at least 3 times. So it looks like we came just short of a 61.8 retracement. Yeah, so we needed a 0.66696 and we got a 0.66668. So a little shy of 30 pips to get that 61.8. But that's all right because red still matches with red. So our take profit would still be somewhere in here. And you can put it right on the support and resistance zone here if you like. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Right? So still great opportunity. How would you play this? I would put my stop loss above my A, right? That way I'm risking 146 to make 233. And it's okay, not the best, but it's all right. If you wanted to play it aggressive, you would move your stop loss right above your C here. That way the risk is a lot less and the reward is a lot higher. Now we're risking 70 pips to make 230. That's a way better strategy. But yeah, for me, playing it safe, I would put it above the A. On that daily, let's go backwards here. We still got that 61.8 pullback, and that take profit would actually be down here if we're running off this fib here. All right, stop loss still above the A. And you got some choices here, right? You can risk that 150 pips for 300, or you can go off of that 860 and make 415 pips, right? Because your take profit zones are pretty much in the same area. So you can do that as well. And let's see here. You can either keep your your stop loss where it is, or you can play it safe and get up here, because you never know. Maybe price decides to come back and retest this trend line here that would actually take this 8 out, right? Before it started to go down. And if you're wanting to run that weekly play, oh yeah, then you definitely need to adjust your stop loss. If you're running aggressive above the C here for that take profit all the way down here, which is okay as well, but that's 500 pips to make like 1,300. That's at least a 2-to-1, so that's okay. And then playing it super safe, you put it above the actual A here. Now that's more like a 1-to-1 1,000 to make 1,300. So it's really up to you. Now, what needs to happen in order for us to take this trade? Just like the last one, we need trend line break and a retest. And I don't know why, for some reason, they don't want to turn on. There we go. So back on the 4-hour, so we can get a better view. Looks like we did get that strong bearish candle on the back side of that trend line, but we need a retest just to make sure it's actually happening, right? And then let's see, that would be somewhere down here, right? So you need that break, retest, short. And you can even use these same trend lines on the daily. And I like to trade off the daily. It's a little bit stronger, a little bit more stable and reliable than the 4-hour in my opinion. And we don't even have a swing low yet. I mean, you see the bears are taking over, but I need actual confirmation. I need that trend line break, that retest, and then I'm going short. So that is the Aussie dollar.